Our spirograph involves 20 triangles, and these triangles are actually images of a rotating triangle. The center of rotation is right here. This is 0, 0. And then what we do is in line number 8 on the right, um, we put our pen up, and then we go to 0, 0. And then line number 10, we go forward 100 units. Since the pen is up, this line is not visible. And then line number 11, we put the pen down and we are ready to draw the first side of the triangle. Now the first side of the triangle is gonna be drawn after we rotate the turtle 145 degrees to the right. That is line number 12. So we rotate the turtle 135 degrees to the right like this. And then we start to draw the first line, which incidentally is colored red, line number 13. And then we draw the red line, 340 units. So this is a 340 pixels in length. And then once we reach this one here, note that the turtle is oriented towards this direction here. We have to reorient the turtle so that we will be ready to draw the second side of the triangle. Now the second sided triangle is green, that's line number 16. And before we draw the second side of the triangle, we rotate the turtle 120 degrees. The rotation of 120 degrees is line number 15. So this is 120 degrees. Now we are ready to draw the second side. The second side is also 340 degrees. What I wanted to happen here is to make the triangle equilateral, meaning having the same side lengths, so that the angles inside here, for example, this angle here, this is 60 degrees, and all the angles are 60 degrees, like this one here. This is 60 degrees too, and the same with the angle here. This is 60 degrees. Okay. Mhm. And then once we have drawn the second side, there's our turtle is right here, and it is oriented towards that direction. We have to reorient the turtle in such a way that we are ready to draw the third side. Now, in this case, we have to reorient our turtle 120 degrees. This is line number 18. And then we assign the color blue to our third side, and then we draw the third side. Again, this is 340 degrees. The triangle has equal side lengths. Now, once we reach this point here, this is just the first triangle. So what we need to do is reorient the turtle in such a way that we are ready to draw the second triangle. Since the turtle is oriented like this, like that. And since the second triangle will be started with this line here, okay. So what we need to do, okay, the difference between these angles here, this angle here and this angle here, that is 25 degrees plus 18 degrees. So this is 18 degrees. Mm-hmm. And this is 25 degrees. So this is 25 degrees, like this. Again, this is 18 degrees. So while the turtle is right here, we reorient the turtle 43 degrees to the left. That is line number 43 here. Note here, 43 comes from 25 plus 18. And then we are ready to draw the second triangle. So we go up again, pen up. We don't want to draw this radiating line here. So we put our pen up and then we draw this line here, which is 100 units in length. And then we put our pen down and start the first side, which is red. So at this point here, we are drawing the triangle, this triangle here with first side red, second side green, and third side blue. But this one is oriented 18 degrees up from the orientation of the first triangle. So what we're going to have here, since this is 18 degrees and there are 20 of 118 of 18 degrees in 360, so there would be 20 triangles that will be drawn starting from this first triangle. And this is how it looks like.